নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 102. So in episode 102 Sanskriti Kolkata, I will be showcasing you hand tie and dye bandhej. So we all love these colorful bandhej from Rajasthan and Gujarat. So I'll be showing you some of these collection which is just arrived in our store. Product number 1, pure Kora with bandhej and ajrak. This is Kora woven Banarasi. It has zari woven border. The natural color of the sari was white, and this hand bandhej has been done on this Kora sari. We have done original ajrak in the pallu. So you can see these are done in different states. The fabric is from the raw material is outsourced from Banaras, then Rajasthan, and then ajrak from another state. So this is the whole concept. So and it really takes a lot of time and lot of concept. For 1-2 pieces only we do all these, and then we show it to you. So this is the ajrak printed hand ajrak original natural dyes blouse piece. Product number 1, Kora bandhej ajrak in navy blue, and this is the 8500. This is the sari. Another color in this is maroon color. Product number 2, only single 2 pieces. So this is a dark maroon color, very rich maroon. Product number 2, same price 8500 with ajrak pallu, woven zari border, and of course very lightweight because these are pure silk organzas, and this is the blouse. So you can imagine how uncommon this look will be, bandhej with ajrak, and that too in a organza. Now again another silk organza 3A, 2 colors have come, bandhej with chicken. Black and Firoza color bandhej tie and dye with grayish color chicken work in machine work. Pallu 8500 8500 rupees. Very soft, and these are not the stiff organzas because these are pure ones, and after doing bandhej and all, it's already become very soft. See the crepe tie and dye blouse with this. It's a contrast grayish color, crepe tie and dye blouse. This is the sari. Very smart sari. And number B, red, 3B 8500 in red and white. Sorry, I'm showing this opposite. This is the this is the pallu. 3B red and white with green piping. and this will have a crepe plain red blouse, heavy quality red blouse, 8500. Now something really interesting. Leheria Kalamkari in Tussar, which we all love, I know. So how can I miss out Leheria when I'm showing you this tie and dye. Tussar Kalamkari Pallu, 9,950 rupees, as you all know. I regularly show this in Kalamkari videos. Pure Tussar, no border, only tie and dye with blouse piece. The blouse piece will also be in, the blouse piece will also be in Hastkala Kalamkari, pen Kalamkari. This is the blouse piece. It's a beautiful shade of green, pastel tone, a little earthy kind of a green tone, very uncommon combination. Slate. So this way probably you can see the painting properly. So here is the pallu, the whole sari in leher, and this is the blouse piece. I'll open and show you the blouse piece. The sari I'm not draping because you know by now how it looks. This is the blouse piece. Now because of this rainy season, the polish and all are little delayed, so this tie and dye is not available much now, but many more are on the process. So don't worry, those who've not got them yet, I have given to create many more. So probably after this weather is a little better, more stocks will be coming. Mustard yellow and green, pure Tussar tie and dye leheria with hand painted pen kalamkari, kalahasti. This is the blouse piece. Make these kind of blouse, if you make it like a crop top, then you can wear it with these skirts also. Number 7, these are all 9,950 rupees. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to the number provided, any one of the number. Once you receive the confirmation and we give you the bank details, please make payment after confirmation, and after we receive the transfer, the products will be couriered to you within 2 to 3 working days. This is the blouse with this. It's a lightish maroon color. ₹9,950 in, see the color, it's in pure Tussar Kalamkari. Number 8, it's in orangish tone. Here is the blouses, particular this sari, the blouse is along with the pallu. So there is the blouse and this is the pallu. This is the tie and dye. You can see the combination. This is the blouse piece. This part is the blouse piece and this is the pallu. All 9,950 rupees. Hand painted kalamkari with tie and dye in pure tussar. Now something different again in tie and dye. Pure tussar, Leheria tie and dye with badla. This is Mukesh work throughout the sari. It's a very fashionable sari, but at the same time, because of this tie and dye, it has a traditional, of course, traditional touch with contrast green piping and tassels. Totally new concept, 8,800 rupees. Very soft, lightweight. These are not the very heavy desi tussar. These are lightweight tussar, but very good quality lightweight tussar, because these tie and dye can't be done properly in the thicker tussars. So these are light, soft, very good quality pure tussar with contrast badla blouse piece. See the badla blouse piece. These are handwork in Mukesh. It's done by strips of metal, very rare. Nowadays you don't get much karigars. The back part will also be in badla. See, these are the badla, little strips of metals that's used in zari metal, which is used for with the needlework. It's a needlework. It's a kind of a needlework, and you have totally separate karigars for these badlas. These are handwork, and especially we see these badlas in chicken work also. Mustard tie and dye. Tassels. These are all pure tussar and original tie and dye. 8,800 rupees. Just send the screenshot along with the description. Just see the concept. We always see printed tussars, but this is the original tie and dye Leheria with badla, with contrast blouse. So it's very different. You can wear, this is the blouse piece in off-white, the natural tussar color, and you can wear lot of junk jewelries with this. This looks very good in with junk jewelries. And the one that I'm wearing, this is a whole set with the tikli. These kind of jewelries also look nice. It has a tikli. It has this pair of the earring. This is the tikli. These are temple jewelry and very heavy. See the meena and the stone setting. It's 7,000 the whole set with the tikli. 7,000 for the whole set. It's a beautiful piece. And I'll tell you something about the mannequin also. It's original pure Georgette tie and dye bandhej from Rajasthan. And then with this I have done a fusion concept, a designer concept with Georgette Banarasi. Georgette Banarasi and the half and half upper part in pure Georgette tie and dye bandhej with handwork Zardozi border, and blouse piece also will have the work. This is the border blouse, 7,800 around range. One side tassel, and see the Georgette, the paisley will be in the bottom. Handwork border, and the ready-made blouse that I've made the mannequin wear, we have this kind of gold tissue blouse pieces which I had shown in few of the previous episodes. These are 2,990 rupees, size starting from 36 to 42. So those kind of blouses which goes with a lot of saris, so those are also available. Tissue blouse piece, real tissue, pure tissue blouse pieces. So those are also available in various sizes. Now few more colors in the Leher one. Number 11. Please like, share and subscribe the page. There's a Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where many more collections are uploaded regularly. So you can have a look. And we have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. It's near Citizen Park. Sundays we remain open. And the other one is 12 Jambil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. That's near Baliganj railway station. There's just car park in front, so there won't be a problem. Please visit the stores for more collections. 8,800 rupees. But to get particular this product, since we have many variety of stock but all limited pieces, so you have to pre-book, and for that the numbers are already provided. Please pre-book and then make the transfer, or you can pick it up from the store if you are in Kolkata. So this is the sari and with the blouse piece, Badla blouse piece in natural tussar color. See, the grey and the off-white is looking so pretty with the Rani color piping and all over Badla work. So very smart, fashionable sari with tassels. Very smart concept. Another in peachish, deep peach with navy piping. See, this is another pretty color, very cute, soothing color. And on wearing these, Leheriya looks very smart, very smart. I love Leheriya. Anything in vertical stripes, horizontal stripe, in checks, geometric concepts I really like. This is the blouse piece, same with Badla. Simple concept, but on wearing, it will look really nice, I think. Even with silver jewelry, this will go well. Now I'll tell you what I'm wearing. These kind of stuffs I'll show. Again, same kind of tussar with tie and dye, original bandhej. Charcoal black color with red. These are not the bright red because there are colors that get inside these. So it's a matte red, maroonish red. Bandhej pallu. Tassels, handmade contrast tassels, 8,500 rupees. All soft tussar, pure tussar in soft colors. I mean soft quality, soft polish. Very flowy, lightweight. Even you can wear these in peak summer. This is the blouse piece. The charcoal black blouse piece with the border. Any occasion you can wear this. You don't have to wear it for any formal occasion. If you wait for, even if you are wearing, going to any small gatherings, these look really uncommon. And mainly it's very comfortable. Now I'll show you all the colors that's available, all new concepts. So if you like these, probably I'll think of more concept in these. Magenta with yellow, just the opposite combination that I'm wearing. See the pallu. Fully tie and dye. There are many variety of bandhej, so not possible to show all in one episode. So I've done previous bandhej also, but this is a totally new one, new concept. Border will be contrast, the blouse border, and the back side will also have the bandhej. See, This has a contrast blouse. Very pretty color of, this is, it's kind of a blackish bottle green with Firoza. $8500. Very simple looking sari, but you know, it's very different. Pure tussar. This is the blouse piece. Hand work. It's a pride of Rajasthan. You know, all these little things add up to the value of this product. See, I'll just tell you in between mine one also. This is mustard yellow. Nice bright mustard yellow with this tassels in magenta, and the blouse piece will also be in magenta. This is the blouse piece. And the jewelry I've already told you before. This color is also available. Just another color combination, this same yellow with maroon. Reddish maroon, and of course it will have a contrast, this red blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, this is the back side, this is the blouse piece border, this is the sari with the tassel. Some very pretty colors. 17, royal blue and sky blue. All single pieces. So those who are sure you are going to buy, please block those. Usually I know I've had very few customers who just block them and don't don't buy, don't purchase. But even if there are one or two even, then please try to be sure before you book. And it's of course first come first serve basis. So once we receive the payment, we'll courier it to you. This is the blouse piece with this. This is also a very uncommon combination. Wine color with Firoza. All the combination is very pretty and very uncommon. I love, thinking what I'll do in the next video, and of course your suggestions, your queries that to show these in the comments really, things helps me think about what will be in the next concept in the next video. So keep messaging if you have any queries, if you want to see any particular kind of product more. I'll definitely keep that in mind, and we'll do videos on those. This is a body red with yellow. Lightweight, soft, pure tussar with, this will have a contrast blouse piece. It has a contrast yellow blouse piece with border. This is the color combination. Now again something different. Bandhej with ajrak. The body is original ajrak, and this also only one piece I've done. Actually, I had done this for myself, but then I thought of showing it to you also. See, this is shaded. Tie and dye bandhej, and this is the original ajrak. This is the pallu. Product number 20, 9,500 rupees. Product number 20. We have many more bandhej, like in pure Georgette Ghat Chola, Georgette Banarasi bandhej, and then many more Chanderi bandhej. So we probably in future episodes I will be showing. So please like, share and subscribe if you want to see more varieties in our concepts, in our designs. We will be showing you more variety in traditional, the uniqueness, the classiness of each state, the tradition of each state, the craftsmanship of each state will be showcased in future episodes. So this is ajrak with bandhej in pure tussar, and this is price rupees. In case I miss out the price, it's all mentioned in the screenshot. Please check out the Facebook page, like the Facebook page, 9,500. More products will be uploaded there. You can see more variety. Now see, this is pure chiffon. I'll explain a bit in this. Pure chiffon with tussar border. This is a pure tussar border in pure chiffon, and that too in original very tiny bandhej. See, bright red color. See, it's a very pretty sari. Now it's a shaded one. Just see the tie and dye in this. This is not polished now. Once we polish, the width will increase, because this is pure chiffon, and that also tie and dye has been done. So ironing and polish is required, which we will do and send it to you. But very tall person will not be able to wear this. Very tall, till 5'4" height, it's okay. So those who are above 5'4", I recommend not to purchase this sari. This is the pure chiffon original bandhej, and you get a lovely ready-made blouse with this. We have sizes 34 to 38 in this. This is the blouse along with this sari. It's fully handwork. Sequins are all handwork, Ari Kashmiri. This is the back part. Front and back fully work. It's a very fashionable designer sari with cups front and back, and this kind of blouse, if you have back open, you can wear it with a lot of fashionable saris. This is really smart concept, and this is the sari, and very reasonably priced also. I think because I had an orange, I think that's sold out. 21. This is 8,990 rupees. Only one piece. 8,990. One piece in pure chiffon bandhej. So that's it for today. So hope you like the video. Please do comment, and I've shown you the tassels which I was wearing. So namaskar, bhalo thakben.